Hi guys, my Nexon car water tank that got broke. I ordered one new from Woodmo. I'm just going to do an unboxing for you here. Let's see how it looks like from inside. Yeah, so this is the one which I opened just now. Looks to me perfect. Let me take out this and show you. Tomorrow I might go for fixing this to my nearby local mechanic. Yeah, let me take out. I'm using one hand with the phone and one hand to remove it, so it's difficult because it's a bit tight here. So let me put the phone down for a minute. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. So let me pull out this for you. You can see here now. That's how it looks like. Yeah, looks all perfect to me. I will get this fixed tomorrow by a local mechanic nearby, and then share you the information tomorrow. Yeah, thank you. Just noticed there are two motors here. One is called rear, one is called front. So I think they will be able to fix it. So once they remove the old broken one, which is leaking at the moment, I think it should be working. Yep, I will let you know by tomorrow. So the part number is mentioned here, which is 5438 824 00136. This is not manufactured by Tata Motors, but it is manufactured by Precol. It's written over here. If you can read it, Pricol. Yeah, it's written windshield washer, and that's how it looks like from the bottom. Yeah, so let's see.